everybody, it's MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to show you all this look on dollar eyeshadows. I swear a lot of people sleep on these dollar eyeshadows, but they are amazing. As you can see, like, they don't play. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then stay tuned. Okay, Anastasia Brow Wiz for my brows, and now I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape for eyelid primer. This shit works amazing. It keeps your eyeshadow on all day long, so I love using it for a primer. And next I'm just going to go ahead and sweep this Milani in Bella Cappuccino over that Tarte Shape Tape just to go ahead and set that in place and to make a smooth surface for my eyeshadow. Okay, so this is an LA Colors palette. If I can find these, I will link them in the description box below. I'm just taking the center color and just sweeping that in my crease. And I'm just gonna slowly build that to the color that I want. Okay, so now with this clean fluffy brush, I am just blending out the edges. You will see me doing this a lot during this tutorial. Blending is, you know, key. Okay, so next I'm going to use this Wet n Wild palette. I'm going to use this more darker purple. This I'm going to put mostly over my entire eyelid and just a tiny bit up into the crease. But yeah, just cover your entire eyelid in this. Okay, back to that original purple that we used before. I'm just going to go ahead with this fluffier brush and focus that more in the crease, just darkening that purple up a little bit because it was covered by the dark purple, and yeah, just making it a little more vibrant. Okay, so back to that darker purple in the Wet n Wild palette. I'm just packing it on my eyelid a little more. It just wasn't as dark and vibrant as I wanted it to be. So yeah, fingers work amazing for that kind of thing. Okay, so this is another amazing little LA Colors palette. Like I said, if I can find it, I will link it in the description box below. I'm just taking the black in this palette and just deepening up the outer corner of my eye and a little bit into the crease. It just gives it more dimension. It just looked a little flat to me. Okay, so next is the Kat Von D Ink Eyeliner. I love this shit. If you can write your name, then you can use this liner. It's like writing with a marker. So I'm just gonna use this to do a wing. Okay, so the Aveeno Daily Moisturizer. Love this stuff because it has SPF in it. Your girl's pasty. She lives in Texas. She burns, so she needs that. Next, for the concealer, I'm using this Mayron concealer palette. Yeah, I mix a few to cover up this complete madness that's going on. I love this stuff because it's just thick enough to cover, but it doesn't cake. Okay, primer today, Dr. Brandt Anti-Aging Mattifying Lotion. The mattifying is what I need. in these high grease areas, my nose, chin, cheeks, forehead, and chin, of course. Those are hella greasy. Now I'm going to go in with the MAC Pro Longwear with my beauty blender and blend it all out. Okay, so Tarte Shape Tape. I love this for concealing, but I also love it for highlighting. It just brightens up your eyes. So I'm gonna put those on, under my eyes, on my big old nose, chin, and of course my forehead, and blend all that out. Okay, Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm just basically gonna set the areas that I just laid down, and then I'm just gonna set the rest of my face because I'm hella greasy, and this helps with me not looking so damn oily at the end of the day. Okay, I'm using Hoola by Benefit to contour the hell out of this big ass forehead that I have. I'm just basically following my hairline and bringing it down onto my temple a little bit. And I'm using this big, huge, fluffy fan brush that works amazing. Next, the Bella Pierre Cosmetics, I believe that's what it is, highlighter. Oh God, this stuff is just magical. Look at it. Like, girl, look at that. I love this. I got it in a beauty box. I don't even know when or where, but I need more. Look at that. Glow, girl. Okay, back in with the Hoola Benefit. I'm just gonna go ahead and bronze the hell out of my cheekbones because who doesn't want to look hella skinny? I mean, I know I do. So I'm gonna carve out my new face with this contour, and I'm gonna go ahead and contour under my lip as well. I just feel like that makes it look more pouty, and of course, I'm hella extra. Now in with the LA Colors blush, I'm just gonna go ahead and pat that on and blend it up into my contour. Okay, so quick tip, if you want to blend everything out without moving it around, I put a little bit of powder on a fluffy brush and just circular motions, blend it on, and it looks airbrushed that way. Now I'm just contouring my chin because, I want to get rid of her. And now I'm going to go back in with that Wet n Wild palette, that dark purple. I'm just going to drag that along my lower lash line about halfway through over. Okay, back with that original purple. I'm just gonna go ahead where I didn't put that dark purple and blend that over. Just, it looked a little plain there, so I wanted a little more color. Okay, Benefit mascara, they're real. I love this mascara. It gives me lashes that I don't have. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on the bottom and the top. Okay, now to brighten up the inner corner of my eye, I'm just using that same highlighter. It's just super glowy and pretty, and it just brings more interest to that inner corner. Okay, because I am hella bald-headed in the eyelash department, I am going in with Cocoa lashes in the style Goddess. I just love these. They're hella dramatic, hella big, just the way a falsie should be. And next, I am using the CoverGirl Melted Pout or Pot in this deep maroon color. I thought it was a pretty complementary color to go with this purple look. And to finish it off, I am using the MAC Prep and Prime. Okay, everybody, so here is the finished look. The eyeshadows that I used were dollar eyeshadows, the LA Colors and the Wet n Wild, and as you can see, they do the job. So anyway, I hope you guys liked this little tutorial, and thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and see you next time.